If you're exploring voice AI tools for your business, it helps to compare Retell AI with real alternatives rather than just vague other platforms. In this video, we'll look at some of the most talked about voice AI platforms, highlight what each does best, and help you decide which fits your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this useful. Let's start with Retell AI. What makes Retell stand out is its combination of strong performance and relative ease of use. Retell offers a no-code, drag-and-drop builder to create voice agents, handles speech recognition, large language model dialogue, and text-to-speech in one platform. It supports multilingual voice, real-time calling, and integrates with telephony and CRM tools, making it a solid choice for businesses wanting a production-ready voice agent solution. Now let's look at a few of the competing platforms. Synthflow is a no-code voice AI platform focused on both inbound and outbound calls. It offers human-like voice agents, text-to-speech with transcription, workflow automation, and CRM integrations, making it ideal for teams without heavy technical resources. Vapi AI is more developer-friendly and flexible, giving you control over each part of the voice agent pipeline. This makes it suitable for businesses needing custom workflows or wanting to fine-tune performance, though it requires technical skills. Dograh AI is an open-source voice AI platform that offers maximum flexibility. Its self-hosting and customization options appeal to teams who want full control rather than a SaaS solution. PolyAI is known for enterprise-class voice assistants, including complex conversational flows and multilingual interactions, making it best for larger organizations needing robust voice AI for customer support and global reach. So, when might each platform be the right choice? Choose Retell AI if you want a balanced, ready-to-use voice agent solution that works out of the box with minimal technical overhead. Choose Synthflow if you want quick deployment with no-code ease and don't need deep customization. Choose Vapi AI or Dograh AI if you have technical resources and need maximum flexibility to build custom workflows or integrate deeply with internal tools. Choose PolyAI if you're a larger company needing enterprise-grade voice AI with strong multilingual and omni-channel support. In the end, the best voice AI platform depends on your business size, technical capacity, call volume, and priorities, whether that's ease of use, customization, or enterprise-level features. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights and reviews.